Hello guys, how are you? Today we will check the technical analysis from INTC Stock. The INTC Stock before 5 days had the earnings report. The earnings report for me, it wasn't good. The INTC had a decline year to year and quarter from quarter. And INTC is the only one stock in the sector which had decline on revenues, but the worst was the bad guidance for the next quarter, something that I don't believe. I think this will continue to the next semester. Let's see now here the technical analysis. As we can see here, we have a head and shoulder. Here's the shoulder, head and the shoulder. The support line is this line, and the resistance line is this. As we can see, at this point, the support line was working very good. Also here, we had a reversal candle, and now the price is moving upward. I think it will move until these territories, until 21 moving average, and then we will see. I think the INTC will reach the price from $42 in the previous period. As we can see, indeed the price always when it reaches the moving average from 200 days. Here, for example, it has a downward pushing here, also in here. It can't exceed the 200 moving average from the previous May, before 1 year. The first resistance line is it, from the head and shoulder shape. The second is the upper point on $52, and the most crucial resistance is this line in $54, which is very close to 52 weeks highs. Tomorrow we have the divided cut. And these two lines is support from the previous. The book value from middle company is $41, and the EV value is the same. The EV value per se is the same, $41. Until then, I will not open any long position. I will wait to decline further until trade for long-term investing. But in the sector, there are better companies to see, to trade or invest. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.